Dumpster rental service in Masthope, Pennsylvania. Managing a cleanup project doesn't have to be a headache. NextGen Dumpster Rental offers a dependable dumpster rental service in Masthope, Pennsylvania to make waste removal simple, fast, and affordable. From home renovations to property cleanouts, we're here to keep your project moving forward with minimal disruption. We offer dumpsters in various sizes, perfect for everything from small household jobs to large construction sites. Are you unsure which size to choose? Our experienced team is here to guide you every step of the way, making sure you get exactly what you need. We work around your schedule to deliver and pick up on time so that you can focus on your project without interruptions. Clean, safe, and simple, just as waste removal should be. Our dumpsters are clean and sturdy and can handle various materials, including furniture, yard waste, demolition debris, and more. No matter what you're tossing out, we've got the container to handle it. Customers throughout Masthope and the surrounding areas trust us for quick, hassle-free dumpster rentals. We're proud to be part of this community and always strive to exceed expectations with our responsive service and professional approach. Call us at 845-456-0335 today and schedule your dumpster. Let's make your cleanup easier, faster, and more efficient.